Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at BUNC Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have two new arrivals. One is a £5 coin and one is a 50p. This is a £5 coin, as you can well see. Look, there's some pointy thing, come on. It's a £5. It's from 2022. It's a well-known rabbit that's reappeared. That's our friend Peter Rabbit. It's to celebrate the 120 years of Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit has appeared on the 50p at 6 times. He's been on a 50p. This is the first time. This is only the second time on the £5 coin. There is a coloured version of this, and I went onto the Royal Mint site, and unfortunately it's sold out, and it's only about 3 or 4 days after the release. So I can't show you the coloured version. I can only show you this version. You've got Peter in very much the position of the 2017 50p, i.e. the tail of Peter Rabbit. The difference is, with this one you've got the 120 years which is written there, and you have a whole floral area here, and along the bottom you've got the tail of Peter Rabbit, so it's exactly the same makeup as the 50p, the tail of Peter Rabbit. He's running or hopping, whichever way you want to put it. The difference being between the two coins is that you do have some foliage and flowers going round just there. I'm getting a bit sick and tired of Peter Rabbit being on coins and being put on £5 coins as well. It's getting a bit too much now. We've had, I think as I said, I think there's about 7 different versions of him, and then there's the specialised Easter ones that aren't actually released as coins. They're more tokens or medallions of from certain companies. I think for me Peter Rabbit is becoming a bit tiresome now, and it's about time we got something else on £5 coins. He's been a good thing for the Royal Mint. There's been a lot of new people and a lot of younger people being involved in looking at numismatics, but it's now time to give him a rest. I'm not saying get rid of him totally, just give him a rest for 5 or 6 years. We've had enough of him as collectors, or I have personally. So what do you think of this coin? If you're a collector, are you going to get one for your collection, or are you getting to the point of being sick and tired like I am? One of the reasons why I got it was A, to do this review, and B, because I'm a completionist, I suppose. I'm not happy with these at all. Keep on being reinvented. And it's basically very similar to the 50p coin from 2017, where he's running away. With a bit more extra design, a bit more extra foliage around him, on a bigger coin, a higher value coin. Personally, I think they've done him to death now, and they need to give Peter Rabbit and the Beatrix Potter, particularly the Peter Rabbit side of it, a bit of a rest. If they were to bring out new characters from Beatrix Potter, that would be different, but repeating the same characters over and over and over and over again is not acceptable. It's just looking as if you're grabbing money from people, Royal Mint. So that's my review. What do you think? Do you think I'm right, or do you think I'm wrong? Put down what you think in the comments section. That's what it's there for. Along with the Peter Rabbit, we got a trading card. This one happens to be Paddington. However, I did get some 50p in a bit the Eeyore ones, but so I've got 2 more to do. Let's just do on this one. I'll scrape it off properly in a bit. That's public libraries. And guess what? I have 2 public libraries. These are one of the 3 cards that came out after the 3rd set was announced. We don't know whether this is part of the 3rd set still, or part of the 4th, or part of a new set, 4th set. Change Checker won't tell us. So Change Checker, make up your mind. Is this extra cards to the 3rd set, or are they a new 4th set that's due to start coming out shortly? Don't keep us hanging on, because we're getting sick and tired of it. Tell us what the hell's going on. Thank you. Rant over. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, like I have here for this particular one, I hope you can find the coins you're looking for at the price you want to pay. And finally, I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll want to watch. I'm looking to grow the channel this year, I make no bones about that, and I would like to increase my subscription, and also part of the way to do this is to use the YouTube algorithm, which goes on likes and also subscriptions. So if you come back after a while and you've not yet subscribed, can you please think about doing so? If you're brand new here and you've enjoyed the videos, please subscribe. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc, etc. So if you can give me the thumbs up, I'll be grateful, and if you subscribe, I'll be delighted to have you along on the journey. And in ending, thank you very much for watching up until now, and which is virtually the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. From me, bye bye now. Ta-da.